wala tayong pagnanais na tanggalin ang parental authority. Siyempre, ang magulang pa rin ang mangunguna. Ang sinasabi sa aking bill, talagang kailangan nananawagan sa DSWD, DOH, DepEd na tulungan ang parents na turuan ng bata. At pati, para sa akin, mahalaga dahil ang mga teenager, alam naman natin, di masyado nakikinig kung minsan na nakakatanda, yung peer counseling ng SK at NYC.
Ma'am, will you consider withdrawing? Will you consider withdrawing from it?
I think withdrawal at this point is a little too early dahil hindi pa naman siya pinapasa. Ang alam ko, naudlot sa period of interpellation kasi ang daming tanong ng mga mambabatas.
But some senators already withdrew their signature from the committee report.
Yes.
Do you have plans of doing the same po, ma'am?
Well, I stand by my version of the bill and kung tuloy-tuloy yung interpellation, may mga bagay na talagang hindi na kinakailangan doon, marami ng extra.
So sa interpellation na lang, ma'am, you will
Yes,
set
at saka
may
sa period of
amendments.
amendment, meron pang interpellation, mahaba pa yung proseso para matanggal yung mga bahagi na tinatawag natin controversial o di kaya objectionable.
Ngayon, bakit hindi napansin ito sa House, no? Kasi an act to prevent adolescent pregnancy or teen pregnancy. Di ang ganda-ganda, makatao, mapagmahal sa kapwa, iisipin mo. Pero pag binasa mo doon, pag active sexually, hindi na pwedeng sabihan ang parents.
It's not like susundin by the book itong CSE guidelines ng UNESCO, notwithstanding na hindi lahat ng nasa international standards ay i-implement. And it is not even something to be kind of a deliberate weaseling na gusto kong gawin to sa mga bata or gusto kong gawin ito ng DepEd sa mga bata kaya sinama ko yung international standards. When in reality, it's just that so that it is standardized in every level para hindi tayo mauli sa ibang mga bansa that has CSE in their curriculum. Well, wala naman sinabi na yung CSE guidelines na sinasabi ng international standards should be from the UNESCO. Maybe meron pang iba, but I don't really know. At nasa discretion pa rin ng DepEd at ng Council ang paggawa ng curriculum. Kasi again and again, nauna ang DepEd and then international standards. At as it says, CSE shall be integrated in the school curriculum guided by DepEd. DepEd ang una and international standards along with the Council.